Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Erdian G. Tana from Manawag, Pangasinan. My title is Guardian of the Digital World. I scroll, you scroll, we all scroll, and with every click, every tap, every search, a trial is life, a footprint in the sun of cyberspace, where someone somewhere is watching. Privacy. It's not just a word. It's your name, your number, your secret. It's the message you whispered at 2 a.m. The photo you thought was safe. The bank account you trust to stay unsent. But in the wrong hand is a weapon. Security. It's the look on the door of your digital home. Without it, hackers enter like thieves in the night, stealing what is yours: identity, dignity, even your future. Think about it. 1 week password, one careless click, one I do it later update, and the world come crashing down. Virus says spread, account hacked, reputation destroyed. But here's the truth: we are not helpless. We are the guardian of our own data. We are the protector of our own privacy. Simple choice can make a difference. Think before you share. Update before your daily. Encrypt before your regret. Respect other information as much as you respect your own. Because privacy is freedom. Because security is trust. And in a world built on information, these are not just IT concern. They are human concern. So stand here not just a student, just a future IT professional, but as a voice reminding you your data is story. Protect it. Your privacy is your power. Guard it. And our security is our shared responsibility. And thank you. We are the guardian of the digital world. Thank you po, ma'am.